Now, the other place hit hard by tornadoes from Isaias was the city of Suffolk. Two twisters, one downtown and the other to the west of the city.
And tonight, people in that neighborhood are pulling together to help clean up the mess and talk about the horrifying Tuesday morning there. 10 on your side's Tamara continues our coverage.
Residents tell me that it felt like Isaias was only here for a few seconds, but as you can see, it left a lot of damage. Residents tell me that they are just on day one of what they feel will be several days of cleanup.
We're kind of cleaning up. My neighbors has got worse problems than I do.
Bill Helms is helping to clean up this damage from yesterday's tornado.
I wasn't concerned. I thought it was just going to pass over and we would be safe again. But after I got up about 3:30 and started looking out the windows, I saw that I was wrong.
His neighbor, Tommy's home, was left with a gaping hole and thousands of dollars in damage. And even though it's hot,
well, I go through a t-shirt about every 2 hours, if you want to know the truth.
He said it's important that he's out here.
Well, he's my golf buddy. He's my neighbor. And when somebody's hit with a damage of this magnitude, you have to go help them because it's just too big for one or two people.
The streets are now lined with the big trees that once stood by his house. He was one of the homes that made it out unscathed, but some others with major and minor damage.
Everybody's been good about pitching in and helping, all the way to the end of the street.
But there's still a long way to go in hurricane season. I asked him if he was nervous going forward.
I hate to cut trees down, okay? But if it falls up here and it doesn't hit Tommy's house, we can always get it cleaned up.
He still believes everyone will make it out safely, and they'll be done with the cleanup before they know it.
Just tell everybody to work together and we'll get this thing straightened out. And things are going to be put up like they were. And it's going to take the grass a little while, but we'll get it done.
Now, while some residents are replacing their roofs, others are also replacing their cars. While we've been out here, we've seen several insurance adjusters coming out here, and the residents I spoke with say that they are just ready to get everything together and move past this and get ready for whatever else lies in their way. That's the latest here in Suffolk. Tamara, 10 on your side.